This is a $50 RGB fully mechanical keyboard with 104 keys. Hey guys, this is Arshdeep here and meet the Motospeed CK888 mechanical keyboard. There are a lot of mechanical keyboards out there. Some are expensive, some are mid-ranged, and there is the category of the cheapest ones. At price of around $50, this mechanical keyboard falls in the cheapest ones. But this mechanical keyboard actually feels really good. The base of the keyboard is made out of plastic, but it have metal sheet on top. So you do get a very nice looking keyboard, and there is no flexing of the keyboard. The build is quite sturdy. It even have rubber paddings at the bottom and on the raised feet, which helps the keyboard to stay at one place and don't slide here and there. So overall, the build quality is amazing for the price and maybe better from the more expensive ones. Removing the keycaps, we can see the blue switch. Well, this is not a Cherry MX, it's some sort of their knockoff. These switches are much cheaper and that's the reason for the low cost of the keyboard. I haven't personally tried Cherry MX blue switches, but from what I have observed from the YouTube videos, I can say that these sound and feel pretty much the same. The keycaps are double shot or double inject, which means the light underneath can pass through the keycaps and you can see the letters glowing. The key travel is good, and if you are upgrading from a membrane keyboard, then it may take you some time to get used to it. Here is a quick sound test. Now comes the RGB LED part. This keyboard does have RGB LED lights underneath the keycaps and it is bright enough. You can control them from the keyboard itself. There is no software to control them. There are several modes to play with. I will recommend to go through the user manual inside the box because that will let you know some of the key shortcuts and combinations. And talking about the shortcuts, the function keys have media control and some other shortcuts which can be controlled using the FN key. So I'll say that the RGB part is done well and overall functionality of the keyboard is good. Almost everything about this keyboard is amazing if we consider the price. I personally don't like the font they are using. It's sort of aggressive and the lack of wrist rest is something I hate. But again, you can't really complain for what you are getting for $50 price point. I don't really know for how long the keys are going to work. Motospeed does claims 50 million keystrokes, but that's just a claim. Only time will tell for how long this is going to work. This is my first mechanical keyboard ever, so I am enjoying using it. One more thing, you even get a mouse with it whose DPI settings can be changed with just one click. So that's amazing. You can get this keyboard from the GearBest and most of the time it remains under $50 price point. So if it's expensive than that, then I'll recommend you to wait for some time and check after a few days. As always, the link is given in the description. So that's enough for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then hit that like button, and if you didn't, then change your taste, bro. Anyways, if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, then hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon too. Till next time, this is Arshdeep here and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.